Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. I am standing on board one of our brand new boats that just came in. This is a 2025 Sea Ray 260 SLX, and yes, it is a 2025. It is one of the last 2025s remaining. Even though it is a 2025, it actually just came out of shrink wrap from the Sea Ray factory, so this is a brand new boat. Starting back here on the swim platform, this is probably one of my favorite features in the entire Sea Ray lineup is the flip down swim step. So this swim step will flip down, sits a couple feet below the water, just makes getting on and off the boat really simple, whether you have young kids with you on the water or you have your furry friends with you. Like I said, just makes getting on and off really easy. Really nice and spacious sunbed back here. And then another one of my favorite features of the 260 SLX is this compartment right here. I like to call it the garage. This is one of the biggest storage compartments I've ever seen on a 26-foot bow rider. This compartment will actually run up all the way until your co-captain's chair. So you have about 6 to 8 feet of additional space here. So I've seen people put skis, those roll-up lily pad floats, fenders, any water toys you're wanting to bring out on the water. This is the space where all that stuff goes. You will notice a very large bimini top on this boat that is connected to our fully automated power tower. So again, in a 26-foot segment, this is one of the largest bimini tops or towers that you will find on a boat, and it actually has an extendable sunshade back here that will cover your sunbed back here. So whether you want to catch some of them Georgia sun rays or you want to get out of the sun for a little bit, you have the capability to do both of those things. Really nice wraparound seating. The SLX in the Sea Ray lineup I like to call the luxury lineup because you have all the diamond stitching, leather wrapped handles, hidden speakers. There's just a lot of really elegant touches and feels in the SLX lineup. So moving our way to the helm station here, you have your glass dash with your twin Simrad multifunction displays. So that's going to give you everything from your chart plotters to your depth finder as well as your Mercury data. You will have your upgraded Fusion audio system here. And then over here you will notice your Mercury digital throttle and shift controls. Moving over to our port side, this boat does have a head compartment with a vacuum flush head. And then a matching companion seat for your co-captain with your flip-up bolster to match the captain's chair. Moving our way up into the bow of the 260 SLX, some more really nice touches. You will have some flip-down armrests here. You will have a windlass stainless steel anchor, and then this boat actually is set up for a bow shade. So you have a couple poles that will mount here and actually clip to the bimini top on this boat to give you some additional shade up here in the bow. So guys, there's a ton more to check out on this Sea Ray 260 SLX. There is a ton of features packed into this 26-foot segment. So if you're interested, visit us at MarineMax.com, or if you'd like to schedule a private showing, visit us here at MarineMax Lake Lanier in Bald Ridge Marina.